look for opportunities to bake in the most simple, monetization strategies that require the least amount of cognitive load or potential breakage for me. Now, I do have people I can outsource a lot of work to that are virtual assistants for us, or that, are in my universe that can do WordPress maintenance and all that sort of stuff. But even that I found sort of a headache, to kind of manage. So I'm going to show you really quickly an example of how this ought to work for you as well, right? And I'm going to try to tie this into using the external product type rather than the inbuilt marketplace style features that you can facilitate through WordPress. All right, so here is an example of one of my affiliate relationships that I haven't used, as you can see, in quite some time. There's all zeros here. It's a psychic or spiritual, affiliate program that I used to promote quite heavily on one of our directories, a directory that I don't own anymore. So look at the new members that I referred. $13,612 in new members that we referred from our side to them. Confirmed orders, 598. So those 598 orders resulted in $13,612 to the vendor. Now, new member commissions, this is what they paid me. $45,315 in commission. So how is that possible? The reason it's possible that I was paid $45,315, actually quite a lot more than that, but this is just one of 3 affiliate accounts that we have with this particular vendor, because they understand what's called lifetime value. So for every $10 or $20 or $30 referral that we made from our directory to them, that paid them $13,612, that they in turn paid us $45,315. Ultimately, those same $13,000 worth of transactions re-upped to this program many times over the course of a lifetime. So this was a call-in psychic network style offer. So they knew that first-time offers or first-time buyers who might only spend $10 or $20 would, over a lifetime, spend far more than the $45,315 that they sent to us. So this makes it well worth it for them to pay affiliates like us or you $100 to refer a $10 or $20 or $30 first-time caller. It's the same thing as Podia, who pays us 33% of every transaction, forever, right? So if I send somebody to Podia that pays $79 a month for the next 5 years, every month thereafter forever, or, at least until Podia changes this, which would be quite not nice to make a change, but the promise is 33%, continuously for the life of that customer. They know by dint of their internal math and metrics that it's worth paying such a large percentage to us. ShareTribe pays a nice fee. They're a much higher dollar transaction. I didn't mean to put ShareTribe there. Actually, that was supposed to be what am I thinking of? I'm thinking of Shopify, actually. Shopify pays 200% of the first payment to me as an affiliate for them on our marketplace, right? So if someone pays them $29 for the first month, ShareTribe pays us $58, I guess it is. ShareTribe is a smaller percentage, but of a much higher dollar transaction, because that can run, thousands of dollars over the course of a year. As we go back to this here, if you look at the affiliate commissions for these guys, and I put in, here's another account, just so you can see, we have multiple accounts with these guys. and you'll see similar numbers. So this is $2,589.80 worth of referrals. They paid us $18,425 on this account, right? So this is just a different link and a different account and the same general ethos and approach. So now you're talking closer to 65,000 in earnings on really, 15,000 maybe or 16,000 overall in business that we send to them. Again, it's the same underlying idea. The lifetime value that this particular vendor understands that each one of these referrals brings to their business far exceeds the $100 commission they are happy and willing and eager to send to us every time that we refer or recommend a member.